Stop haul. So we got some goodies. Chicken breast stuffed with broccoli and cheese. Boudin poppers. Deboned stuffed chicken with crawfish etouffee. What we really went for. Boudin, they're so good. Crawfish etouffee. Already got some served with white rice. Red beans and rice with pork and sausage. It comes like, and I heated it up. Can't go wrong with the cracklins. These little things are so good and so perfectly seasoned. But have you ever had the chicken cracklings? When I get fried chicken, I love crispy because that's how I like the skin. This is basically the skin of the chicken. The red beans and rice, phenomenal. Crawfish etouffee. That's really good. What a perfect combination. They have different locations. You can already buy cafeteria style, or you can pick up refrigerated or frozen goods to make them at home. Don't forget to give me a follow for more yummy videos.